Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be buying the most expensive item, as though you can see that I have no Robux there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep going down until we see something that we really want. And I'll see something that actually looks good that we haven't done this on. Oh look, red sparkle time. Well, here's blue one. I like blue, of course. So this when we go to here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna inspect this element. And then I'll show this, guys. And it has this. And I'll say limited unique. Then what I'm gonna change this to is it's gonna change to roblox. So now if I do this, it's no longer there, as you see. And now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and edit with this. So then we're going to click inspect element, like you guys can see. Then it's here and it says catalog text Robux. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to change this to OBC. I think that might work. I'm not sure. The worst thing that could happen is it'll get smaller, which I did not intend for that to happen. No, it's just temp. Okay, so now it says right here. So now we're going to change this from saying to 0, like you guys can see. So now if we see it says 0 Robux. And since I don't really like that name, we can just change this, as you can see. And we're going to change it to Dominus Blue Sparkle Time Fedora. So now that's what I called it. And now we're going to want to go here. So when it says buy, it says that we need this much more. So now we're going to expect here. Catalog item 8,000 Robux. So we're want to change it to. So we're going to go right here in there. And then we're going to make it negative. So I guess that did not work. So guys, let's go back anyways. So okay, something just happened. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here. We are gonna inspect this again. Which then it says data item name seller. Let's change this seller. We don't look like that. There's the doors, which is my other account. Pet price, which now we're going to do this 0. So now I think if I do 1, it'll say, now let me go back to inspecting element, where it says data item midnight blue sparkle time data seller. Name is arrows. OBC. So we can change. Okay, so now since we want to change this, we're like, nobody wants to pay that much Robux. We'll go here, guys. And then we're going to want to get into here. Now, doing this. So let's just delete that. So I can't really do anything. So now it is price 0. So now you must have premium to buy this. Okay, so that works. Now we're gonna go here, and we're gonna look here, so it says OBC. Now I'm just going to make it so it says PC. There we go. So now Okay, let's try this again. So I'll have to make it 0 this time. Name it tomorrow's midnight moves miracle time hat. Okay, so guys, here I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna change this. This is here. Okay, so then we're gonna okay, so now if we click on here, it says, would you like to get the Midnight Blues Miracle Time Fedora for Amazing Warehouse for free? Then you click and it says, item has changed. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wanna inspect this. Okay, so what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna so now we click green. It worked for me if you guys saw that. So now if we go here, it might work. Guys, let's see. I'm guessing, guys, that it did not work. There's still always a chance that it did. Oh look, there's a friend. Okay, let's see. Guys, meanwhile while we're waiting, it says this way a 10. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit like this. Since Jacob, this is basically my friend Jacob, and so it says right here, accept. What you're gonna want to do is you want to do this, and then you can say like roblox. And so it says when you like accept, you get this much robux. Which no, it's just fake. Okay, so now let's go to avatar. So I'm just waiting for this to work. So now even if we just go here, I think another way how we can do this is we can say 2E. And then if I keep looking, okay, so this is okay, and that's basically this is it for this video. I know it's guys, it's pretty short, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, and hopefully now you guys understand more of a way how to do this so then it's possible. So now, okay, so now if we go down, there's basically nothing really on this account, guys. So we are going to be working on this account, trying to find out how to get items for free. So basically, let me go in here. It says name catalog, and it has item, card, thumb, and that stuff. So I think maybe if I delete all this stuff, so if you guys see, now you see there's nothing on here. Now the refresh page. Bam. So guys, this is just a little quick thing like where you can mess with stuff. And guys, I'll let you guys know more when I find out some more. So, guys, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.